Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Patty the Poet coming to you live from my backyard in quarantine, of course. Looks like California might be getting locked down again. We seem to be in a regression as far as the government is concerned. There's a lot of stuff going on in this country right now that's not okay, including federal forces in Oregon, Portland, everything that's going on there. This movement is valid. It's very valid. It's long overdue. I believe in the BLM movement. I grew up as in the 70s and 80s as the only child of a black and white couple, so I have some knowledge about racism and seen it in person myself. So I believe it's long overdue, and that yeah, the United States, American people are starting to recognize that there are some things that, even though they're in the past, they need to be made up for. Things weren't done correctly initially, and we know that. And denying it is just really stirring the anger that's happening. So it needs to be recognized, I think, and adjusted accordingly. This is not the country that we. It's turning into the country that we would like, I think. One that actually gives a shit about their people, hopefully. So I hope everybody's with me. I'm going to start a podcast as well, www.pattythepoet.com. I've been doing this for a while, but this is a new genre, and I've got a new pages and everything linked to it, so and new information. So I hope everybody's having a great day. Stay safe, and we'll be talking to you. Have a good one. Welcome to my site.